Okay, everyone, here are the homework answers for day 1, the consecutive integers and the perimeter/area word problems. The copy of this will also be sent to you at home, but watch this video with me. All right, so number 1 says the sum of 38 and twice a number is 124. Find the number. Whenever they just say a number, that number could be x. So it says the sum, so that's plus 38 plus twice that number. So when you see twice a number, that's 2x. So 38 plus 2x is 124. Subtract 38, get 2x equals 86. Divide by 2 and get x equals 43. That's number 1. Number 2, 8 less than 3/4 of a number. Once again, you got the number right here. So 8 less than. Remember, less than is a flip-flop, or are flip-flop words. So what do flip-flop words mean? It means you do write the minus sign. But when you say 8 less than, instead of writing 8 minus, you write -8. Then 3/4 of a number is 3/4 times x is equals 91. Done. So the first thing that I did right here is I added 8 to both sides. Add 8 and add 8 and get 3/4 of x equals 99. Then, to get rid of the fraction, you can simply do 2 steps in one by multiplying by the reciprocal of 3/4, which is 4/3. 99 times 4/3 reduces. 3 goes into 99 33 times. 33 times 4 is 132. Pause, rewind the video, watch it as many times as you need in case you have any confusions. Find 3 consecutive integers whose sum is 171. 3 consecutive integers, here they are, x, x plus 1, x plus 2. The sum, just add them all up. I did put the parentheses there just for visual purposes, but x plus x plus x gives you the 3x right there. 1 plus 2 gives you the plus 3. Subtract 3 both sides, get 3x equals 168. Divide by 3 and get x equals 56. And so my 3 consecutive integers are 56, 57, and 58. Moving along to number 4. 4 consecutive even integers. Even integers have a spacing of 2 units between each of them, so here they are. Again, the sum, just add them all together and get 4x plus 12 equals 244. Subtract 12, get 4x equals 232. Divide by 4 and get x equals 58. So my 4 consecutive even integers are 58, 60, 62, and 64. 3 consecutive odd integers. Once again, whether even or odd, the spacing between those integers are 2 units each. So x plus 2, x plus 4. The sum, once again, so add them together and get 3x plus 6 equals 105. Subtract 6, get 3x equals 99. And divide by 3 and get x equals 33. So the 3 consecutive odd integers are 33, 35, and 37. Ignore all of these little notations that are on the left side where it says book number 9, book number 7. Back when we used to give out a textbook, this worksheet was taken from book problems, and those were the book problems on that particular page. So please pay no attention to those. A company added a new oil tank that holds 350 barrels of oil more than its old oil tank. Together they hold 3,650 barrels of oil. How much does each tank hold? So we have the old tank, which we're comparing it to, so that's x, and the new tank that holds 350 more barrels, so x plus 350. And then it says together they hold 3,650. So together just means add them together. So there's the sum, you get 2x. I just subtracted 350 to the other side already and got 2x equals 3,300. X equals 1,650. All right, so that's a 1 right there. It was cut off, but the old tank holds 1,650 barrels of oil. The new tank holds 2,000 barrels of oil. Those are my 2 answers right there. Number 7, the perimeter of a rectangle is 332 centimeters and the width is 76 centimeters. Find the length. Okay, so we know that the width is 76 centimeters. So I'll put that on the picture right here, 76, and you can see it on the left side as well. It says nothing about the length. When you don't know what something is, you can assign a variable to it. In this case, we'll just assign x to the length. We don't know what it is. How do you find the perimeter of any object? Add up all the sides. So x plus x gives you 2x plus 76 plus the other 76 equals 332. One of the biggest mistakes of perimeter is not adding each of the sides, maybe only adding one of the lengths or one of the widths. Add up each length and each width, so 4 total things. So you get 2x plus 152 equals 332, then 2x equals 180, x equals 90, so the length is 90 centimeters. When they give you a unit, make sure that you write the units. Very good. Number 8. The length of a rectangle is 7 centimeters more than the width. We are comparing the length to the width. The width is mentioned last, so the width is x. The length of the rectangle is 7 centimeters more than that, so x plus 7. And so perimeter is 78. So once again, just add each side, x plus x, and then plus x plus 7, plus x plus 7. You get 4x plus 14 equals 78. Subtract 14. Then divide by 4, and you get x equals 16. So the width is 16 centimeters, and the length is 23 centimeters. Once again, make sure that you write the units if they give them to you in the word problem. Number 9, the longest side of a triangle is twice as long as the shortest side, and the remaining side is 25 centimeters. So the remaining side, that's easy enough, 25 centimeters. It's comparing the longest side to the shortest side, mentioned last. So the shortest side could be x. The longest side is twice as long as that. So how do you say twice as long as x? 2x. Perimeter, once again, is the sum of the three sides. So x plus 2x plus 25. So you have 3x equals 45 because we subtracted 25 from both sides already. Then x equals 15. So the remaining two sides, 15 centimeters and then 30 centimeters. Last but certainly not least, 3 times a number decreased by 8 is the same as twice the number increased by 15. Whew. Let's start off with the equals in the middle. Is the same as. Whenever there's a complex translation, I always like to start with the equals in the middle. 3 times a number decreased by 8. So a number could just be x. So 3 times that number is 3x. Decreased by 8. So decreased by 8 minus 8 equals twice that number, so 2x, increased by 15, so plus 15. So let me write that right here. 3x minus 8 equals 2x plus 15. I will subtract the 2x over to the left, and at the same time I'm going to add 8 over to the right. And 3x minus 2x is x, equals 15 plus 8, which is 23. Which is exactly what we got right there. All right, this is the homework for day 1. We'll see you all again.